Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. I hope you are staying safe and doing your regular studies at home and going through the online portal so that we can continue our lessons without missing. So now today we'll do English, the 100 races part 1. So far we have studied about Peggy, Maddie and Wanda. Whenever Peggy used to ask questions, Maddie used to feel embarrassed. She felt embarrassed. She felt very bad because she herself was very poor and she never had the courage to speak and say to Peggy that let's stop teasing Wanda. Because if she says like that, next time Peggy might tease her. Because she used to wear Peggy's hand-me-down clothes. So because of that fear, Maddie never used to speak to Peggy. So now let's go through these points now. Here there are altogether 9 points I have written over here. Let's go through one by one. When Peggy asked questions to Wanda, Maddie used to feel embarrassed, used to feel very sad or bad. Maddie didn't like to ask such questions, or she didn't like to accompany Peggy in that game. But she could not leave Peggy as well. So number 2, Maddie wished that Peggy would stop teasing her. She could only wish, she could not speak. She was afraid, she was scared. So Maddie wished that Peggy would stop teasing Wanda. If she said that let's stop teasing Wanda, then Peggy might get angry and next time Peggy might start teasing her, or maybe Peggy's new target she might be. So in this way, number 3. It was Wednesday, as we have talked. Monday, Wanda was not in the class. Tuesday, Wanda again she was not in the class. Nobody noticed her. On Wednesday, it was Wednesday. Peggy and Maddie had been late to school. They were late. They had been late to school because they were waiting on the way for Wanda to have fun. So that's why Wanda did not came on Wednesday also. So they were waiting for Wanda on the way to have fun. But since she did not come on that day, and both Peggy and Maddie were late to school. And they were punished by Miss Mason. Number 4. But Maddie was glad. In a sense, Maddie was glad. Oh, at least she is not here. So Peggy would, otherwise Peggy would make fun of her, tease her. So it's good that Wanda is not here. So but Maddie was glad, that's why, that she had not had to make fun of Wanda. Peggy used to make fun and Maddie used to accompany her. That means she was also in the game of making fun. So naturally Maddie was glad that she had not had to make fun of Wanda or accompany Peggy for the same, or accompany Peggy for the same. For the same means to make fun of Wanda or to tease Wanda. So in a sense she was quite glad. There was a sense of relief. If Wanda had come on that day, she would have felt very bad. She used to feel upset herself because she didn't like Peggy asking such questions. Maddie was doing arithmetic problems in the class absent-mindedly, without thinking. She was doing arithmetic and she was making mistakes again and again. Why? Because she was thinking about Wanda. She was thinking about Wanda and keeping herself in place of Wanda. So Maddie was doing arithmetic problems absent-mindedly, without thinking. She was doing maths, arithmetic, and she was making mistakes. Simple problems she found it very difficult because she was not concentrating on her studies. as she was thinking about Wanda. She was doing mathematics and she was thinking about Wanda. That's why in simple problems she made a lot of mistakes and she found it very difficult. She could not concentrate in her work. Number 6, she wished she had the courage to write Peggy a note. She thought, oh, I had the courage to write to Peggy. I had the courage to speak to Peggy. She didn't have the courage. So she wished she had the courage to write Peggy a note because she knew, Maddie knew, she would never would have the courage. She would never or would have the courage to speak, to say, let's stop asking Wanda these funny questions. She never had the courage to say or to speak to Wanda to say that let's not tease Wanda in such a cruel manner. That's why she wanted to write a note and hand it over to Peggy. When she finished her arithmetic, number 7, when she finished her arithmetic in the class, she started writing a note to Peggy, telling her, let's not stop teasing Wanda, it's a cruel way, it's not good. She wanted to say in a note. Because she had no courage to speak, so therefore she decided, let me write a note and hand it over to Peggy. Suddenly she paused, she wrote a few lines and she paused. Pause means she stopped and began to think. She stuttered. She shuddered. Shuddered means she shook. Oh, no, I must not write this because Peggy might think otherwise and I'll be the next target. She pictured herself in the yard, in the school compound. Yard means outside in the compound. She pictured herself in the yard in place of Wanda. In place of Wanda, she kept herself. She pictured herself in place of Wanda. A new target for Peggy. She was in the class and doing her mathematics. She finished her mathematics and thought, suppose if I write this and give it to Peggy, next time she will start teasing me. I'll be the next target. I'll be in the school compound surrounded by other children and Peggy will ask me certain questions. Peggy might ask from where she had got the dress. Peggy might ask, whose dress you are wearing? From where did you get it? She might ask various questions. Where she got the dress that she had on? You are wearing, that you are putting on, that dress, where did you get it? So she might ask in such a way, then I have to answer, oh, it is one of Peggy's old hand-me-down clothes. I am wearing Peggy's dress. What a shame. All the children will laugh at me. She dreamt, she thought, Peggy might ask where she got the dress she had on. She would have to say, Maddie would have to say, oh, it was one of Peggy's old ones. My mother put a trimming at the border. She put the trimming, but all the other children will recognize that it is Peggy's. So therefore, she stopped writing. She wrote a few lines, then she tore it and threw it. Thinking about this, she shuddered. She shook. No, I must not write. I must not say anything. As it is, I cannot speak to Peggy about this matter. And if I write, again, I'll be the next target and Peggy might ask various questions to me. So she was thinking in this way, but she was feeling very, very bad, really embarrassed. She felt embarrassed because Peggy was asking various questions to Wanda in such a manner, in a cruel manner, as if she was talking to Miss Mason. She used to say politely. But Maddie used to feel that it is a cruel way to ask such questions to a poor girl. So in this way, this was for today. In our next class, we'll continue what happens after that. So you go through the book and read it out. Those who don't have the book, you take the screenshot and read it out at home. It will not take much time to go through this, hardly 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, not even that. So that much you can do it every day, so that we can proceed slowly but continuously. So that's all. Once we are back in the classes, then again we'll continue thoroughly, properly, and will be much easier. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.